Hello, today we gonna make jessner solution or chemical peeling. Chemical peeling requires to be applied on medical clinic only, not at home, not for personal use. It is very dangerous if it used in home. Jessner solution contains first resorcinol with 14% salicylic acid, which is beta hydroxy acids with 14%, lactic acid, which is alpha hydroxy acids with 14%, and we will add all of this in alcoholic base of alcohol 96% to 100%. Okay, our formula is very simple. Just weight your alcohol and add all the rest of your ingredients on it. Very simple formula. Dissolve lactic acid in alcohol, then add salicylic acid, and it is very easy to dissolve in alcohol. Then add resorcinol, which is also very easy to be dissolved in alcohol. It's okay. It is not a big deal to start with resorcinol or salicylic or lactic acid. All of these are easily dissolved in alcohol. Now we're gonna make modified jessner chemical peeling solution. The difference between jessner solution and modified jessner solution just in resorcinol and percentages of salicylic and lactic acid. Our formula contains citric acid, which comes in 7%. It's also alpha hydroxy acid. Our formula contains salicylic acid with 17%, which is beta hydroxy acids. Its act is very effective in removing the outer layer of your skin. Salicylic acid is a very good peeling agent. Our third component is lactic acid. It comes with 17%. Also, we will add alcohol 96% to 100% in this formula. How you will start it? Citric acid will be dissolved first in alcohol, then add salicylic acid and dissolve it well. Lactic acid, it's easily to be added in alcohol. Lactic acid is already a solution, but citric acid and salicylic acid are powder, which needs to be dissolved first in alcohol. The same as we did in normal jessner solution, we will make modified jessner solution. Very formula. So now let's start. This recipe for 100%. We will not make 100%, we will make just 50%. So all of these percentages will be divided into half. So we will add 7 grams of resorcinol, 7 grams of salicylic acid, 7 grams of lactic acid, and alcohol 90% to 15%. Sorry, 50%. We will collate 7 plus 7 plus 7 equals 21. So our alcohol 96% will be added in 29 grams. Okay. Now let's move to modified jessner solution. Salicylic acid 17%, lactic acid 17%, citric acid 7%. Also in this formula we will not gonna make absolute 100% of the formula, but we will make 50% of the formula. So 17 will not be 17, it will be 8.5% or 8.5 grams, as we're gonna make 50 grams only. So 8.5 of salicylic acid and 8.5 of lactic acid, and 7 will be 3.5 grams. Let's calculate it. 8.5 plus 8.5 equals 17 plus 3.5. It also will be 20.5. So absolute alcohol percent will be 30.5. Now let's prepare jessner solution. We will add our beaker and stir its weight. We will add resorcinol. And 7 grams. Resorcinol in market have 2 shades. This is called yellow resorcinol, and there is also off-white resorcinol. Of course, off-white resorcinol give us a very good result. Now we gonna add salicylic acid in 7 grams. Of course, you need to wear a dust mask when you use salicylic acid too. Oh, this is just 6. We will add our last 1 gram of salicylic acid. Now it is 14. So 14 is the weight of resorcinol plus salicylic acid. 7 plus 7. Now we will add ethanol or alcohol 96%. With 39 grams. No, okay. It is now 40. Dissolve it. Dissolve it well. Now we will add lactic acid. Continue mixing. To get clear solution with no traces. Almost done. Now we will measure our pH. It is very acidic. Maybe 3 or 3.5. Now this clear solution. Now we will prepare modified jessner solution, also in 50 grams. Let's start. There is no resorcinol in this formula, do not forget. Now we will start with alcohol. Oh. Now it's 31, it's okay. We will add citric acid. Do not forget, it is alpha hydroxy acid. And above all, don't forget you are working with acids, which are very dangerous materials. So, safety first. Don't forget to wear plastic gloves and wear your eye goggle. And mask. Now add citric acid. 3.5. It's 4, it's okay. Now add salicylic acid. 8.5. Seven. 8. Okay. Now add lactic acid. 8.5. Okay. Oh, it's now 10. It's okay. Mix. There is a difference in color. This yellow color comes from In jessner solution, yellow color of jessner solution comes from resorcinol, but there is no resorcinol in our formula, so it's a clear solution now. Continue mixing to get the clear solution or clear modified jessner chemical peeling solution. Continue mixing. If you're gonna use electric mixer, be sure that the blades of the mixer are stainless steel, not aluminum, which react with acids. Pack jessner solution in a glass bottle. Never pack it in plastic bottles. Never, never, never. It should be glass, because acids react with plastic. Label it. Should be glass, do not forget. It is valid for 3 years. Almost clear. It's okay. We can back it now in another glass bottle. Also, label it. Now our product is ready. Jessner solution and modified jessner solution. Thank you. It is also valid for 3 years.